G'day, welcome back. I'm going to go to Moreton Island in a couple of weeks. Bit of a longer term trial run for the camper trailer and just to be able to get away for a few days. For someone that can't seem to leave things well enough alone, I've always looking for something to improve on the setup. I run the Drifta 1.2 rooftop tent and recently seen the self-inflating mattresses you can get. I've already got the mattress upgrade in it, but the self-inflating mattress should give me the opportunity to leave my bedding and pillows and whatnot inside the tent, which is definitely a bit of a downside to the slimline rooftop tents you get these days. So I've gone and purchased the Wildlands one. Now this one actually has the valving, one on the side and one on the end, so it can be used in the side opening tents without having to mess around with it too much to actually open the valve. So I'll rip this out, throw it in the rooftop tent, put my bedding in that back in and close it down, and hopefully it closes down. And obviously I'll report back after sleeping in it for a couple of days over in Moreton. And so yeah, let's rip this open, throw it up in the rooftop tent and see how we go. Not real sure why it comes in a fairly decent bag if you're gonna leave it in the rooftop tent, but whatever. I'm sure I'll find a use for that anyway. Go, yep. That's the valve in the end and the valve in the side of it. Awesome. Let's head out to the rooftop tent and throw this in. Now I do already have the mattress upgrade and an anti-condensation mat in here, so we'll rip the mattress upgrade out. There's nothing wrong with it, it's actually quite comfortable. Like I said, I'm just trying to find that happy medium where I can leave my bedding and that inside and it's quite easy to close up without doing any damage to the tent. So let's rip this out, put the self-inflating mattress in and have a look at it. Hopefully that will fill out a lot more than that, but let's crack this valve and have a look. You can definitely hear it filling out. I'll come back in about 10 minutes and we'll have a look at it. That's fully inflated now. I'm really keen for this. It looks fairly comfortable. I've just got out of it. It is actually quite comfortable, and it's thicker than the mattress upgrade as well. So the fact that this can suck back down, and I'm going to put my bedding and that in it, suck it down and close the rooftop tent, and hopefully, like I say, here's the valve on the side, making it pretty easy to get to. I'll throw my bedding back in, close it up and have a look. That is super thin, suck back down. Let's get the bedding in and close it up. Alright, all the bedding's in there. Let's pack it down and see how it goes. That is so much easier to close, and everything is inside it. Check back in a couple of weeks and I'll report back on how comfortable it actually is. See you then.